bestie, what are you doing Friday night?
Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's V, and for today's video I'm gonna be following Friday self-care night routine. This is just to wind down from the entire week of hard work, just relax so I can be rejuvenated for upcoming week. This is not what I actually do every single weekend, but this is what I'd like to do. That is why we're gonna be feeding our inner child. We'll be taking care of ourselves by doing stuff like taking a bath, baking sweet treats, and all that good stuff. But first of all, I don't like to be in the outside clothes for long enough, so we're gonna change that. I'm actually starving right now and it is time to cook dinner, but I'm just gonna make myself a smoothie so I can still have it while I'm cooking dinner. Otherwise I'm gonna be, because cooking literally takes my entire energy. I'm not even kidding. But for this smoothie, I'm just gonna add a banana. Got some raspberries earlier this week, so I'm gonna be adding that too. I am also gonna be adding a scoop of protein powder. It's just because I'm vegetarian and most of the times I don't get enough protein intake. That is why sometimes I do like to make myself a protein smoothie. I'll also put in some cashews and almonds just for the crunch. That's such a pretty light pink color. It's so cute. Actually, I got another thing just for this night. Hold on. I got whipped cream. Okay, let's open it up. Are we supposed to shake it? I don't even know. Oh, okay. Shake 8 to 10 times and turn upside down and press nozzle sideways. We can do that. I didn't even count if it was 8 to 10 times. Here goes nothing. This is not my best word, but I love it. I'm also gonna start making dinner, but for that I'm gonna set the vibe. It looks so cute. Also, I'm gonna be following this tofu crunch wrap recipe that I found on TikTok just because luckily I have all the ingredients. I'm so excited. Some more spices to suit my Indian taste buds, but while that's cooking I'm gonna make the guac. Guys, I made a burrito instead and I also made a smiley face. I'm only gonna be eating one because I also have to finish my smoothie.
With so many, they have mocha, hazelnut, eggnog, like they just have a lot to choose from. This is perfect for me. And girls have.
Now onto my least favorite chore, which is doing the dishes. I'm done with all my chores and finally I can do things that are actually relaxing. I'm gonna be doing my nails, but before that I do have some candles that I want to light just to have like a more relaxing vibe. I do have a design in mind. I'm thinking of doing something like this. I think it's really cute and I've never done something like this before, so I'm gonna try it. Also, I'm just gonna be watching a YouTube video while I do my nails. I'm honestly loving how they're turning out. I've only done one hand till now and it took me like 30 minutes. This is taking longer than I anticipated. Guys, my camera battery was dying and I had to charge it. So while that was charging, I finished my nails. This is how they turned out. I honestly don't know how I feel about them. I kind of have like a love and hate relationship with them because they don't go very well with the December festive holiday season vibes. After I was done with them, I realized I should have done red hearts instead of black. I am not even kidding. It took me so long. I thought it would only take me like an hour max to do all this, but it took me 2 hours. But finally, now that my nails are done, I can take a relaxing bath. Finally, we're here. This was a long awaited bath. So for this bath, I'm gonna be using green mint and eucalyptus bath bombs, and I also got Epsom salt because I've heard it is really relaxing and you can just add it in your bath water. This one is the lavender scent. It has a plastic film on it. It literally smells so good in the bathroom. But before I take a bath, I also wanted to make myself cookies. I got these ready to bake cookies. You can also eat the cookie dough raw, but I just wanted to make it into a cookie and it's gonna take 10 to 12 minutes. I am only gonna have one because I just ate, so I'm already full. I'm also gonna be making hot chocolate. The cookies in the oven. I'm gonna make hot chocolate. For the hot chocolate, I'm gonna be using this Santa mug. It is so cute. There's no better time of using this mug other than a self-care night. Guys, this is what my bath is looking like. I will see you guys in a bit. I'm done with my bath. I feel so good and so relaxed. I actually really needed that after this hectic week, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use this sheet mask. Fun fact, this is the first time I'm gonna be using a sheet mask. This is just a brightening sheet mask with tangerine oil. Smells kind of good. I wanted to take some pictures, but looking at this, I don't think I'll be able to. I can't talk with this on. Anyways, but it says on the packet that you're supposed to keep the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this on and I am just gonna go journal. I wanted to come up here and say that it is really important that you take care of yourself, especially after a long week of work. And even if it's not a long week, like, you deserve self-care. Like, if you don't put gas in your car, it's not gonna take you far. And I'm not talking about cars. Similarly, it is really important that you take care of your body, and it shouldn't depend on how hard you work. Even if you didn't work hard enough this week, or even if you were slacking, you still deserve self-care. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about taking intentional action to nurture your mind, body, and soul. Self-care may look different for everyone. When you prioritize self-care, it's actually not selfish. It is in fact a form of self-love. You are recharging so you can show up better for yourself and for others. Self-care doesn't only mean using like expensive products or just adding extra steps to your night or morning routine. It also includes simplest things like exercise, eating healthy, having consistent sleep times, talking to a friend, journaling. While we are at the end of this video, I would like to know, what does self-care mean to you? Share your favorite self-care tips in the comments below. It was fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you stayed till this far, make sure you comment this emoji so I know that you watched my video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!